This 2023 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 22 RBHL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Newfield, New Jersey, 08344 and is offered for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc. This new Forest River is 27 feet 11 inches in length and features one slideout, a coronado interior, sleeps 4, Colorado Detector, smoke detector, Skylight, external shower, DVD player, awning, LP detector, auxiliary battery, leveling jacks, water heater, and 49 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Forest River Salem Hemisphere Hyper-Lyte 22 RBHL is 5,413 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Crossroads Trailer Sales, Inc., visit RVUSA.com.